To begin building your Versys VS2, make sure you have both the top and bottom pieces. Take the top section, invert it, and line up the zipper ends located on the backs of each half of the bag. Begin zipping the sections together. Once you have about 4 inches connected, flip the top half of the bag onto the bottom half. Continue zipping the rest of the bag together, making sure to tilt the bag toward the section you're zipping. Once you finish zipping the bag, fold the flap down to cover the zipper. After that, you're ready to begin using your Versys VS2.